Welcome back to another episode of IDK Show Me How, brought to you by your local SPH Tech Jamal Douglas. Today we're going to be talking about Mac to Mac remote login. A lot of us have iMacs in our office, and we also have a Mac laptop that we want to connect to when we're at home so we can do work in the office when we're at home. An easy fix for that is we need to go ahead and set up in our system preferences, and I already have this pulled up right here, to our sharing, and I'll go ahead and show you that. This is what it looks like when you go to system preferences normally. We're going to go down to sharing. And for those of us who don't know how you get to system preferences, you click on this apple right here, go down to system preferences, and it'll come to show all. We go down to sharing, and we have to make sure that screen sharing and remote login are both checked. One thing to remember, a lot of us have McAfee installed on our computer. We have to make sure that McAfee's firewall is either down, or we have a special exception for this program so that another computer can log in. Anyone on our local SPH Tech's team can help you out with that. Next, in screen sharing, when we click on this, it actually tells us right here what we have to type in when we want to log in. So this is all we need to do on our host computer. Our host computer is completely set up. We're going to go in computer settings. You can even set a password here, or you can click anyone may request permission to control screen, but we like to put a password in. Okay, now for the fun part. Now we're on our remote laptop, the one we're going to use the remote into our host computer with. Now, if we can go ahead and find the IP address, which I'm pulling up right now as we speak. We have to make sure that we're in Finder up here on the little white tab. We go to Go, under Connect to Server, and we've already actually got our IP typed in with the VNC :// and then the IP address. And we click connect, and I'm logging into the admin user, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my password for that. Of course, you will have a unique password for your personal login. After we click connect, we wait, and now we can share screens and manipulate things within there. Like, we'll close this. And here's the video that I just made a second ago. Fun stuff. We'll go ahead and play around with that. And it's as easy as that. But the one thing we do want to remember is that we may have to make sure two things happen before we do any of this. We have to make sure that McAfee's firewall is turned off. And we also have to make sure that the computer's firewall is turned off. Any one of our SPH techs can help us with that. Doug Green, Sauche O, Josephine Ojo, or Jamal Douglas. Thank you again for tuning in to IDK Show Me How. This is Jamal Douglas signing off. See you next time.